Hold on to your hats, action junkies. Rumors are swirling about the highly anticipated GoPro Max 2, and we're diving deep into the latest leaks and speculations. From groundbreaking 360-degree capture to mind-blowing stabilization, the Max 2 promises to revolutionize action vlogging and immersive content creation. We'll dissect the leaked specs, analyze potential features, and discuss what this next-gen camera could mean for creators of all levels. Get ready to be amazed as we unravel the mysteries of the GoPro Max 2. Expected features and upgrades. The GoPro Max 2, the rumored successor to the original GoPro Max, is expected to redefine 360-degree action camera standards. As GoPro builds on its expertise, the Max 2 is likely to feature improved resolution for immersive 360 degrees content, potentially offering 6K or higher video capture compared to the original Max's 5.6K. Enhanced build quality is anticipated, with better waterproofing and heat management for longer recordings. A sleeker, more ergonomic design might also be introduced, allowing for easier handling during intense activities. The Max 2 is expected to maintain its dual-lens versatility while integrating hardware refinements for superior performance. Improved video and photo quality. Building on the GoPro Max's impressive image capabilities, the Max 2 is likely to boast upgraded lenses and a new sensor, delivering sharper visuals and enhanced low-light performance. The rumored inclusion of advanced HDR and improved dynamic range would ensure vibrant, lifelike footage even in challenging conditions. For photos, higher megapixels could be introduced, producing crisper and more detailed stills. Additionally, smoother transitions in 360 degrees footage with advanced stabilization tech may elevate its video quality beyond competing models. These improvements would make the Max 2 a top contender in the action cam market. Enhanced stabilization and AI integration. GoPro's hypersmooth technology is already industry-leading, but the Max 2 is expected to push stabilization to new heights. Improved AI algorithms might provide even smoother results, automatically leveling horizons and stabilizing footage in extreme scenarios. Advanced AI could also enhance scene detection and editing features, making the Max 2 even more creator-friendly. Real-time processing for transitions between 360 degrees and hero mode may be significantly faster, allowing users to focus on capturing content without worrying about post-production challenges. Versatility in modes and features. The GoPro Max 2 is expected to expand on the versatility of its predecessor by refining its hero and 360 degrees modes. Features like time-lapse, slow motion, and hyperlapse will likely be enhanced for creative storytelling. The addition of new modes, such as AI-guided cinematic presets or motion blur effects, could cater to a wider range of creators. Users can also expect better integration of horizon lock, which ensures steady footage in dynamic conditions. These upgrades could position the Max 2 as both an action camera and a storytelling tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Improved battery and build durability. Battery life has always been a critical factor for action cameras, and the Max 2 is expected to feature a larger, more efficient battery. With enhanced heat dissipation, it may allow longer 6K or 360 degrees recordings without overheating issues. In terms of durability, improved waterproofing beyond the original 5mm depth limit is likely, along with better resistance to shocks and extreme conditions. A compact and rugged design, possibly with modular accessories, would make it even more suitable for outdoor adventures and extreme sport. Comparison with GoPro Max and competitive edge. Compared to the original GoPro Max, the Max 2 is expected to deliver significant upgrades in resolution, stabilization, and AI-driven features. While the original Max set a benchmark for 360 degrees cameras, the Max 2 could surpass it with faster processing and improved usability. In contrast to competitors like Insta360X3, the Max may stand out with better in-camera software and GoPro's established ecosystem. These potential improvements could solidify its position as the go-to choice for creators seeking top-tier 360 degrees content. Conclusion. The GoPro Max 2 is shaping up to be a transformative upgrade over its predecessor, blending cutting-edge technology with user-focused enhancements. With anticipated improvements in resolution, stabilization, and AI, it could cater to professionals and casual users alike. Its rumored versatility and durability make it a strong contender against its rivals. While official details are yet to emerge, the Max 2 could redefine how creators capture immersive, high-quality content, making it a must-watch release for action camera enthusiasts. So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting future of action cameras with the GoPro Max 2. With its potential for groundbreaking 360-degree capture, advanced stabilization, and innovative features, the Max 2 is poised to redefine the way we capture and share our adventures. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the GoPro Max 2 and other exciting tech news. And don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow action enthusiasts. See you in the next one.